Keep that umbrella handy because wet conditions continue into the start of the week. The rain's going to be a little more spotty on Monday, mainly those showers during the afternoon. I do expect a mainly dry morning. However, some isolated thunder showers developing late in the day. That Elk and Elk downtown camera shows you misty and hazy conditions. Could be some areas of fog and drizzle this evening and tonight. Even though you're not seeing a ton of green on radar, due to the east winds coming in off of the lake, we're actually seeing a little bit of lake effect rain showers, and you can see some of that green across the Toledo metro, especially in East Toledo, Oregon, and downtown as a result of that east wind. Now, south and east of us, there could be an isolated spotty shower or thunderstorm that bubbles up this evening. If we do see any local impacts, that would likely be down towards Wyandotte or Crawford counties. A stubborn area of low pressure is going to continue to churn out moisture, and we still do have rain chances in that work week forecast. A couple isolated showers and perhaps brief rumbles of thunder well south of Toledo this evening. As we set that clock into motion, mainly dry conditions overnight, a few areas of fog or mist not out of the question. Into your Monday, I do expect a mostly dry start to the day, but into the afternoon, spotty showers and a brief rumble of thunder possible if we do see a storm. Best chance south and east in areas like Wyandotte County that have already picked up over 2 inches of rain in the last couple of days. Now, the latest data is still a little murky as far as how much rain we get because there's a sharp cutoff. You'll notice this model showing only around half an inch for Toledo, but much higher totals to the west. And this is through Tuesday, so we do have several rounds of rain that will be possible. But the overall consensus, a little bit higher to the south, a little bit more west of I-75, and then a little bit less to the east. Monday's forecast does feature renewed rain chances. Those showers and storms most likely going to be during the afternoon and evening time frame. Not going to be quite as cold and windy tomorrow. We're going to be in the mid 60s. Still a light northeast wind, but not going to be as blustery as today with winds of 0 to 10 miles an hour. Rain most likely late day, spotty showers, and perhaps a brief thunderstorm that will be possible. Next 4 days, we keep the damp conditions in the forecast. Tuesday, scattered showers and 64 degrees. Finally, a change in the weather pattern ahead for your Wednesday. Temperatures climbing up into the 70s. Thursday is going to be bright and beautiful, but the northeast wind will return as a weak cold front drops us back to the 60s. However, as we kick off the biggest week in American birding, sunshine and temperatures in the 70s will be a nice treat. 67 for your Friday, and then into Mother's Day weekend, the forecast is looking beautiful. In fact, a first look at your Mother's Day does feature dry conditions, temperatures in the middle 70s, and a sunny and milder day. Now, the winds could be light out of the northeast, so it may be a few degrees cooler near the lakeshore, but overall it is looking like a brilliant day and a sign of a milder midway weather pattern. Into next weekend, a couple of days in the 70s, we could climb close to 80 degrees by the tail end of that forecast. Spotty showers possible by next Tuesday, but overall, as we gear up towards the spring planting season, a number of dry days and a warmer weather pattern through the middle of the month.